Okay guys, this is going to be a project. We'll see how it turns out. I'm going to update my backsplash all the way around so that it all matches. And I'm using this peel and stick tile. Actually, let me show you up against the wall. I think it's going to work out super well. Because, look at these, they're almost exactly the same as the countertop. Plus I've got gray and a little bit of like a sage and some white. So basically, I'll be able to change the decor any way I want inside because these peel and stick tiles will go with everything. So I'm pretty excited. It's going to be a little bit of a daunting task, I think, but I'm going to give it a go and do the best that I can. Wish me luck. Well, the first sheet's in, and I think it looks pretty daggone good. The directions say you start in a corner, and in order to do that, you have to trim off the overlap edge into the corner. All right, let's do the next one. Okay, so while I was editing this video, I realized that I don't actually have footage of the rest of the project in process. But the reality is it was pretty easy overall. You can see the cutout here for the light switches. I took all the light switches off so that I could get the peel and stick tiles in behind them. I ended up making a template to be able to go around the window. But all in all, a pretty simple process. So just wanted to share the important thing here is that I actually did this 13 months ago. And at that point I wasn't thinking about doing, videos for tips and tricks and stuff like that. I came across this a couple of days ago and I thought, you know what, let's just share it and let people know how easy it really is. Well, here are the results of the kitchen makeover. Almost completely finished. I still have a little bit of trim pieces to put up and the hold downs for the blind. I got to get a punch to punch holes back in for that. So this is a pretty big transformation as compared to the brown wallpaper that was there before. And since I had pieces left over, I went ahead and did the backsplash in the bathroom too. So I think that looks pretty good. Really happy with the way this came out. Peel and stick tiles, super easy. Well, except for having to cut the template around the window. That was a pain. And, we've got that little area up there that's got little zigs and zags in it. But all in all, very happy with the results. Much better than the brown wallpaper. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and always remember to sally forth, live your best life, go out and adventure in whatever way works for you.